Are you planning to build a new Z370 gaming system featuring the newly 8th generation Intel CPUs? Then it's likely the ASUS ROG Strix Z370-F gaming motherboard is next on your shopping list. It's equipped with just the right feature and priced to be one of the most popular Z370 motherboards. Of course, coming from the ROG branding of ASUS, it has already got some special feature that's sure to appeal to gamers and system builders around the world. To give you more value for your money, you also find Aura Sync RGB lighting, M.2 heatsink cooling, easy overclocking and optimization, powerful onboard audio, networking and more. What's inside the box? The Z370F comes really well equipped already, but there's plenty of extra bit in the box too. There's the usual documentation, driver CD, some stickers, etc. However, you also get a bunch of flat SATA cables, RGB lighting extension cables, cable ties, a hard SLI bridge, and the M.2 mounting screw. Not a huge amount of stuff, but still a nice bundle. First impression of Z370F are fantastic. You can tell straight away that this motherboard means serious business. The black and grey finish looks fantastic and it's going to make it much easier for the motherboard to blend in with any system build. The motherboard does have a RGB lighting too, so the neutral color on the board makes a good backdrop at any lighting effect. There are 4 DDR4 slots, and like every other major part of this motherboard, it's dotted with high performance capacitor to help maintain stable voltages and performance. Connectivity is pretty decent on this motherboard, nothing too crazy but certainly enough for a high-end system build. There are 6 SATA ports and the USB 3.0 header mounted on the right edge of the motherboard. You also get multiple RGB header in this motherboard. The audio hardware is mounted with a trace on the motherboard, separating it from the main board and helping reduce unwanted electronic interference. There are 2 PCIe lanes which are nicely spaced. This means the motherboard will more easily support the weight of multiple graphic cards. Good news for those building a high-end gaming rig. Alright friends, so that was a quick unboxing and information about this motherboard. If in case you want to check out the PC build using this motherboard, the link would be in the description below and you can go ahead and check out. This is one of my favorite motherboard for Intel 8th generation build, and there is another version which is this is the gaming F version. You can also go for gaming E if in case your budget allows. 19,500 for the gaming E version, and this has inbuilt Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So also the heatsink color is different on gaming E, and rest everything is almost same. So depending if you can spend like 3,000 rupees more, go for the E version. However, if your budget is low, probably F is the best option for you. You can get an additional Wi-Fi dongle and a Bluetooth dongle for approx 600 to 700 rupees. So that was all about this motherboard. If in case you want to purchase, the link would be in the description below. You can go ahead and check out the link. And thank you for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye.